Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Simplified. Now, creativity creates promotions that will stand out from the crowd. Creativity is the act of making new and imaginative ideas into reality. We need to think of new ideas to get an edge on other affiliates, and a good design promotions will do just that. A great bonus and promotion are definitely good ideas. A lot of top marketers only email once or twice during a product launch. You want to make sure that you mail for the entire promotion so you can take over the momentum of all your hard work to promote the launch. Now, promoting a product launch. For example, if you are promoting a launch, you want to make sure that you email your entire list for the launch period, because a lot of people will only mail for a couple of days and then move on to something else. So you can pick up on that traffic and back the entire promotion, and that would help you show support and quality of the product that you are promoting. It's like you are supporting a product 100% like it's your own product. So there are things that we use in an affiliate marketing campaign. We use a specific email delivery schedule designed to be sent in a certain way to your subscribers. It shows your support for the product and increases scarcity to influence subscribers to make their purchase before it ends. This method has been used by top affiliate marketers and is proven to increase affiliate sales commissions even at the end of a launch promotion, which for most affiliates is the lowest point of their promotion. As we get through the promotion, we send more emails. We get more attention, and it separates us from everyone else. If you continue to drive traffic properly, you can capitalize on that because many others are not doing so. Now it's time to rinse and repeat. When you have a bonus page or a campaign that converted extremely well for you, you want to keep the same format and you just want to put more products into your library of assets. You can build checklists, keep your email campaigns. You've got email subject lines that you can keep using over and over again. You don't have to use what the vendor gives you. So just continue to clone your successful campaigns, start testing them, but keep these successful ones handy to easily put things together and easily put together good promotions and good bonus pages. How to select good promotions. It is very important to take good promotions and create proper campaigns that will generate sales for you. So selecting a proper product is very important. Choose something from a vendor that you trust. Try to be selective of the vendors that you are promoting for. When you look in the marketplace, look through the history of different vendors. Communicate with the vendors and ask them questions. Ask them for review access or bonuses that you can use. So if you do communicate with them, they will realize that you are not just going to send bad traffic, but quality traffic. Now, conversion rates and EPCs, or earnings per click, is the best way to determine how well the product is performing currently or has performed in the past. Now, these metrics will help you determine if the product is worth spending the time to create a proper promotion or not. When looking at products to promote inside JVZoo, for example, these metrics are available inside the affiliate section. Once you are inside the affiliate search screen, you can look for products using different criteria. You can search by category, subcategory, or you can even search for a product in a certain niche. Look for products on a specific topic or search by product name. You can also search for the best-selling products in the marketplace using the quick links at the top. When you review the metrics to determine if the product is worthy of your promotion, you want to review a few of the following things. The number of copies sold. If this product has sold a lot of copies, that is a good sign that this product has a proven sales funnel and is in demand. Now, conversion rates. You definitely want to choose a product that has a good conversion rate. This will determine whether your subscribers and visitors you send to the sales page will actually buy and generate commissions for you. Now, EPCs, earnings per click. This is an average earnings you will make for every click that you send to an affiliate offer. Now, commission rate. This is how much percentage of the sale you will make for every sale that you generate for that vendor. And refund rate. This stat is often one of the most overlooked and can be a determining factor whether the product is of good quality. If a product has a good conversion rate and a high refund rate, that can indicate that the product is not well liked by the customers and the commissions you earned will be taken back from you. Now, the deciding factor is going to be how you feel about the product. It is important for you to care about what you are promoting as an affiliate and that you can get excited about the promotion. It is easier to sell something that you genuinely believe in as a good, high-quality product. Don't just promote something for the money that you can make. You need to stand behind the product as if it's your own. If you are promoting low-quality, questionable products, that's how you will be received by your audience. Now remember, being creative and having fun with your promotions will go a long way to your subscribers and show that you are real and honest. Don't be afraid to be picky with what you promote to your tribe. I'm going to leave you with one last quote. It always seems impossible until it's done. I'll see you in the next video.